Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video we will discuss what are the best practices for filming and editing YouTube videos. Creating great YouTube videos takes some planning and effort. Whether you're just starting or looking to improve your skills, here are some simple tips to help you film and edit videos that viewers will enjoy. Number 1. Plan your content. Before you even pick up a camera, think about what your video will be about. Write down your main ideas and create a basic outline. This will help you stay focused and ensure that your video is clear and engaging. Number 2. Choose the right equipment. You don't need expensive gear to make good videos, but having the right tools can make a difference. Here's what you'll need. Camera. Use your smartphone or a digital camera with good video quality. Microphone. Clear audio is important. A simple clip-on microphone can greatly improve sound quality. Lighting. Natural light is great, but if you're filming indoors, use lamps or affordable LED lights to brighten up your space. Number 3. Set up a clean background. Make sure your background isn't too busy or distracting. A plain wall or a tidy room works well. You can also use a backdrop if you want something specific. Frame your shot properly. When filming, keep the camera steady and make sure you're well framed. Avoid cutting off the top of your head or leaving too much empty space. A tripod can help keep your camera stable. Use good lighting. Lighting can make a huge difference in how professional your video looks. If possible, film during the day using natural light from a window. If you're indoors, position lights so they're shining on your face without creating harsh shadows. Record clear audio. Good audio is crucial. Make sure to record in a quiet environment to avoid background noise. Speak clearly and use a microphone if possible. Test the audio before you start to make sure everything sounds good. 7. Keep it short and engaging. Attention spans are short, so try to keep your videos concise and to the point. Cut out any unnecessary parts during editing and make sure the content flows smoothly. 8. Edit thoughtfully. Editing is where you can polish your video and make it shine. Here are some basic editing tips. Trim and cut. Remove any mistakes or long pauses. Add music. Background music can make your video more engaging, but keep it low so it doesn't overpower your voice. Use transitions. Smooth transitions between clips make your video look more professional. Don't overdo it. Simple cuts usually work best. Include text and graphics. Adding text like titles or captions can help convey your message more clearly. Simple graphics can also make your video more visually appealing. 9. Add a call to action. At the end of your video, encourage viewers to take action. This could be subscribing to your channel, liking the video, or leaving a comment. Export in high quality. When you're done editing, make sure to export your video in high quality. Most platforms like YouTube support HD, which is 1080p or even 4K resolution. This ensures your video looks good on all devices. Upload and optimize. When uploading your video to YouTube, choose a clear and catchy title, write a detailed description, and use relevant tags. This helps your video get found by people searching for similar content. Review and improve. After uploading, watch your video and take note of what worked well and what could be better. Pay attention to viewer feedback and use it to improve your future videos. By following these simple best practices, you'll be well on your way to creating high-quality YouTube videos that attract and engage viewers. Keep practicing, and over time you'll get better and more confident in your filming and editing skills.